for a couple of cities in Southeast Asia itself, where we have connected cars and connected car fleets which are being managed by the government agencies for public transportation and airport pickups and drops are optimizing the routes based on the kind of analysis that they are able to do at real time, right? We've obviously got a lot of the work that we're doing within the resources industry. So utilities, we actually have a case study where we will cover how the utilities industry in the UK is using the sensor-based information to identify the upstream, which is the water uptake from different sources. How does it actually flow through the pipes? Understand what is the optimization level or the utilization level of the pumps that are actually drawing up all of these water and transporting it to the end consumer, in this case citizens. And then how does the downstream part of it, which is essentially once you've used the water and once you've dumped all of these water into the sewage, how does that sewage management work? All of these based on sensor information, all of these being monitored pretty much real time, and all of these enabling the people on the field to take decisions which were otherwise not possible, right? You've got security, which is a big part of it. We've got an entire bunch of things on security and surveillance, which is automated. In fact, you could do a Google on London Heathrow Airport automated border security clearance, and you will realize that Accenture is working with them for you to go through your entire immigration process without a single manual intervention in there. It is talking about video surveillances, it is talking about image analytics, it is talking about biometrics, but you actually go through the entire immigration process, right? The entire border clearance is automated without a single person being looked, right? That's the kind of Internet of Things that we are dealing with today. You've got home automations, we've got smart health. We will actually come to a particular example of how Philips Healthcare and Accenture is working in a prototype. While we can cover only a bit, my personal recommendation is go ahead and search on Google on what Philips Healthcare and Accenture are doing using Google Glass. While we will try to cover that very briefly here, but that's one of the very critical things that we are doing within the smart health projects itself. All in all, I don't really want to bring this particular slide, but what I essentially wanted to establish is that Internet of Things is one of the starking realities of today, right? We are no longer talking about Internet of Things as one of the future trends. It is now here in our face. And what Internet of Things is making sure is that the kind of data that we are getting is big, it's voluminous, it is variety, because we are now getting machine data, we are now getting unstructured information, and we need to consume as well as decide on this particular data almost at near real time, right? So the entire 3 V's that typically the big data is being defined as, the volume, velocity, and variety, is something which is pretty much inherent into the DNA of Internet of Things. And that's essentially why big data analytics is currently going hand in glove with IoT applications in itself, right? With that particular background, Kaushik, if you'd like to take up next, please.
Sure, Monarch. Thanks a lot. This is Kaushik, and